Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Outlook login problems, sync and password errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you can sign into your email in a web browser at Outlook.com or your company webmail. If web login fails, reset your password and complete any security verification. Then try again in Outlook. Check that your device date, time, and time zone are correct, because wrong time can break secure sign-in. Restart your computer to clear temporary authentication and network glitches. Verify your internet connection by opening a few different websites and turning off airplane mode or VPN temporarily. Open Outlook and make sure you are using the correct email address format, especially for work accounts. If you see a repeated password prompt, retype the password carefully and disable caps lock and different keyboard layouts. In Outlook, go to File, Account Settings, select your account, and click Repair. If repair is not available or fails, remove the account from Outlook and add it again with the correct credentials. For Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com accounts, choose the sign-in option that opens the modern Microsoft login window. For Gmail, ensure you have enabled IMAP in Gmail settings and use an app password if two-step verification is on. For Yahoo or iCloud, create an app-specific password and use it instead of your normal password. If sync is stuck, click Send/Receive, then choose Work Offline and turn it back on to refresh the connection. Check the Outlook status bar for disconnected or trying to connect and wait 1 minute after reconnecting. Clear save credentials by opening Windows Credential Manager and removing entries for Outlook, Office, or Microsoft account. Close Outlook completely from Task Manager, then reopen it and test sign-in again. Run Outlook in safe mode by pressing Windows+R, typing Outlook.exe/safe, and then press Enter. If safe mode works, disable add-ins in File, Options, Add-ins, and restart Outlook normally. Update Office by opening any Office app, going to File, Account, and selecting Update Options. Update now. Install Windows updates and restart, because outdated components can cause authentication and sync failures. Check your mailbox storage on the web, and delete or archive items if the mailbox is full. For Exchange or Microsoft 365 work accounts, confirm your organization is not blocking sign-in with conditional access. If you changed your password recently, sign out of all devices from your account security page and sign in fresh. Rebuild the Outlook profile by opening Control Panel, Mail, Show Profiles, Add, and set the new profile as default. If data files are corrupted, run the Inbox Repair tool, SCAMPST, on your PST file and reopen Outlook. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus email scanning, because it can interfere with Outlook connections. If you use a proxy or corporate network, confirm proxy settings are correct and try from a different network once. Test sending and receiving a message, and verify that the last sync time updates without errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.